In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open your new digital notebook. So the first thing that I'll have you do is from today's module, today is Monday, November 23rd, click on the link that says New Digital Notebook Slides. You are going to come into an assignment, and your assignment page is going to look a little bit different than this because this is the teacher view from Canvas. In the upper right-hand corner, you will have a Submit Assignment button. But all you need to do to make this bigger is click on this blue link, and that's going to actually take you into the notebook. So from here, you can change your name. So you would want to type in your own name here. So I would type in Colleen Lamott's Pumpkin Notebook, but you are going to type in your own name. Once you have changed the title so that it is your name, followed by Pumpkin Notebook, you can click down here and add your name right here. And then once you've done that, you want to organize this so that you can find it again. So you are going to make a new folder from your drive. So the way that you move something is this little icon right here. It's a picture of a folder with an arrow. And click on that. Then you're going to find your 7th grade folder, your 7th grade science folder. So here is the folder that I have made that is in my drive that says 7th grade science. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click the over arrow. The next thing that you want to do is make a new folder. Now, I already made a Unit 3 pumpkins folder. You have not yet made that. So you're going to come down here and click. This is a little folder icon with a plus. So that means you're going to make a new folder. Click on that. And where it says Untitled Folder, you will title this Unit 3 Pumpkin. And you are then all done. Now, oops, and it's pumpkin. Okay, I am actually not going to make another one of those because I already have one. But from right here, I'm going to click this little over arrow. And this is where I will put my notebook. So I would hit this button right here, which is to move here. Okay, then when I'm all done, I can close out of this. And there you go. I have now made a copy for myself, or actually was just opening up my own copy, changed the name, organized it in my file, and I am in my folder in my Google Drive, and I'm ready to go. So then you're just going to work through the module for the rest of the day. And one thing that I'm going to ask you to do is decide on a method of vocabulary. So if you want, you can have a personal dictionary the way that we've been doing. If you open this up, you will get your own personal dictionary that you will make a copy of and be able to link from here. You could also do notes in a notebook, and you can click on here to learn more. You can make yourself a Quizlet if you know how, or you can use a graphic organizer. And as our unit progresses, you'll just be adding different vocabulary words in the list as you progress. And we'll go into this more later, but the touch points means basically every time you interact with the vocabulary word, you are going to indicate it on your touch points vocabulary tracking document. So you'll add a little Q if you quiz yourself, D if you draw a doodle, S if you storify, etc. And you are going to be keeping track of how often you revisit your vocabulary to help make it sticky in your brain. Next, you will go down to slide 4 and you're going to watch this video. Watch it a couple of times. It is pretty fascinating. You'll need to list at least 5 observations and at least 3 questions that come up for you as you watch the video. After you've done that, you're going to listen to some videos that I made on our Rotten Lab that we are going to be conducting. And you will be filling out page 8, and notice you will have to scroll down to get to page 8. So you're going to skip some pages that you will not do today. All of this, once again, is in Canvas, and there's lots of videos to help you. So I hope that you have a great learning day, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.